वेलकम बैक टू फेस्टिव फॉरएवर। टुडे इज आवर पास्ता डे। आज हम पास्ता खाने वाले हैं। डोंट यू गाइस थिंक सो कि पास्ता एक ऐसी डिश है जो इजीली एक्सेसिबल है, लाइक इफ वी आर विद आवर फ्रेंड्स, ओके, इफ वी आर चिलिंग आउट विद आवर फ्रेंड्स, और इफ वी आर विजिटिंग एनी न्यू और अननोन रेस्टोरेंट, or if we are on a trip, we always prefer to order pasta because we feel that's like the safest dish and nobody can really mess that up for you, right? So today we have some amazing and delicious pasta from some amazing restaurants. So without any delay, let's get started. We are pretty much aware there are different kinds of pasta, literally over 50. So we have ravioli, we have spaghetti, penne, macaroni, so many types of it. Then there is like a different list for house-made pastas which are like made in the restaurants. My personal favorite is penne and spaghetti. Any pasta that is made from spaghetti and penne, I just start liking it. So today we'll start with our first pasta. If we all have heard about pesto pasta, which is made from basil leaves and pine nuts, the pasta is really delicious, and I prefer it with spaghetti and not with penne because I feel with spaghetti it gives more flavor. So here we have our delicious pesto pasta from Woodside Inn, the restaurant. I just loved the aroma of this pasta when I opened the container. I actually opened the container earlier, so the smell of basil leaves was so good. It was like, you know, kind of a fragrance. It was that good. So let's get into the details. So this pasta is from Woodside Inn. It was for rupees 649. The pasta is quite expensive, but anyways pasta की कोई भी dish होती है, since it comes from an Italian restaurant, it's quite expensive, but the quantity is really good, guys. I feel because of the aroma of basil leaves, the dish is also going to be really tasty. So let's go ahead and open it. Can you see so much of olive oil? I really love the aroma that is being released from this pasta, and I'm gonna serve myself. It's loaded with lots of basil leaves, and in fact there are basil leaves on the top as well. Let's serve. I can also see some garlic right from the pasta. Wow, it looks so good. Let's eat it. Guys, this pasta is so tasty. It's loaded with lots of pesto sauce. इसमें pesto sauce की जो quantity है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा evident है. Like the moment you open the container, aroma of basil leaves will definitely hit you. And actually it's loaded with lots of olive oil as well. मतलब olive oil की quantity बहुत अच्छी है, but at the same time you won't feel it's like it's too much. In fact, the basil leaves that they have used are quite fresh. I'm quite impressed with this place. The place has definitely not compromised on its quality. The quality of everything is really good, right from the spaghetti, olive oil, basil leaves. It's just too good. When it actually arrived, it was quite hot. मतलब ऐसा ठंडा ठंडा पास्ता नहीं था. Of course, over the period of time, because I waited for so long, the pasta is not that hot. It's still hot, but not that hot. Pasta, if you're ordering, तो घर पे आने के बाद ये ठंडा नहीं होगा. But immediately you have to consume it because pasta, when it's hot, it tastes super delicious. The quality and the quantity is quite sufficient. Of course, it's little expensive, but since they have maintained the quality, I would definitely give this place a thumbs up. For the next pasta, I'm gonna put it this way. Mac and cheese lovers, raise your hands. I'm definitely going to raise it because I love mac and cheese, and I'm pretty sure like there are nth number of people out there who love mac and cheese. So here we have mac and cheese pasta from Cuso Restauranto. This pasta was for rupees 449 and the pasta looks quite delicious. One more thing that I wanted to mention here, that this is baked mac and cheese, and actually what they have done, it's still hot guys, it's still hot. When mac and cheese actually arrived, it was super hot, like it was freshly from the oven. Now also it's quite hot. They actually wanted us to eat some hot mac and cheese because mac and cheese of course अगर ठंडा हो जाता है तो बहुत ही ज्यादा गंदा लगता है. I don't want to term it as गंदा, but then थोड़ा सा उसका taste अच्छा नहीं लगता. So when it's hot, it's super tasty, and I think mac and cheese का वही concept होता है. So let's go ahead and open this amazing and delicious mac and cheese, guys. So here we have this double foil wrap, and okay, now the container also has double lid on it, or whatever that thing is called. So here we have this two whatever, and then here we have our delicious mac and cheese. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. मतलब जैसा baked mac and cheese दिखना चाहिए ना वैसा दिख रहा है. Little yellow, little white. Okay, let's get a closer look. Look at this pasta, guys. Can you see this yellow dark color? And then like it's like yellow, dark yellow you can call it. Oh my god, this is cheese. And then here there is some white cheese, melted cheese, some vegetables. This is tomato, those cherry tomatoes. Actually looks so good. Let's lift this. Can you see the amount of cheese? No compromise on cheese whatsoever. मतलब ये अगर दिखने में इतना टेस्टी होगा तो थिंक कि खाने में कितना टेस्टी हो सकता है. Wow. It's loaded with lots of cheese and it's actually baked. And guys, ये hot serve होता है, like literally if you ever order it, it's going to be piping hot, like so delicious. Oh, here we have some broccoli as well. So they have also added vegetables in mac and cheese, some cherry tomatoes, then some broccoli. Nice. Okay, this mac and cheese is actually loaded with lots of cheese, vegetables. Vegetables are of course less, but then cheese is so much. I really liked it, and there was this slight baked flavor that I could taste, and it's tasty. Of course, there are no much flavor to explain over here because it's all cheesy. Jose Restauranto, this restaurant definitely serves some amazing mac and cheese, and you should totally order it. Take my word for it, you're not going to regret it. Now let's eat some penne pasta. So I was actually looking for a place that would serve me pasta at very reasonable price. So somewhere around 250 or under 250. So I got this place called Chiliza. Okay, the place is called Chiliza, and the pasta was for rupees 219. quite reasonable, right? So I got this pasta for 2.19. It's called pepper pasta. So for 2.19 rupees, the quantity looks sufficient, and we also get this nice slice of bread. So I think it's good. Okay, so the quantity is quite sufficient. I think one person can eat this. Mostly, more than pepper, I feel it has a lot of chili flakes. We have some green capsicum here. That's it, a lot of green capsicum. It's saucy. And this garlic bread, I guess it's a garlic bread or something. You know, it's like this orangish red color. I'm gonna have this garlic bread. I was missing garlic bread. Like with pasta, I feel कि garlic bread बहुत tasty लगता है. It's not peppery actually. Sometimes I just want to have this wow. Pasta के साथ garlic bread, oh my god, it just takes that pasta to some another level. And this garlic bread is quite good. Okay, the garlic bread is just amazing. Okay, so couple of things that are notable here, that this pasta, though it's called pepper pasta, it's not really peppery. It's more like made from chili flakes and tomato, probably that's why it's more sour. But then the flavors that I can feel from this pasta is sour and you know, little sweet. So yeah, the pasta is really good. I am pretty much satisfied the way, you know, it has turned out. Like for 2.19 rupees, the quantity is quite sufficient. It's tasting good, and then they have served with garlic bread. What else you want, guys? So next pasta that we have over here is from Culinary Tales. If you guys know कि seafood में shrimp pasta भी बहुत बढ़िया लगता है, so I just wanted to eat some shrimp pasta. So here we have our shrimp pasta from Culinary Tales. It was for rupees 4.18, and yeah, the quantity looks quite sufficient. Since it's seafood, the pasta is quite expensive. Of course, anything that you order with seafood, because seafood थोड़ा महंगा होता है, तो पास्ता भी थोड़ा of course महंगा ही जाएगा. This pasta has some orangish color. Like I feel it's obviously cheese is there, and then here we have some shrimps. Some vegetables are also there, like baby corn, red bell pepper, some yellow bell pepper, and obviously some shrimps. Shrimps are like of medium to small size. This is how it looks. And I think there are, like, I can also see some black olives. So it's loaded with lots of stuff, obviously. Let's serve it. I'm gonna serve some shrimps. It's quite creamy. I'm just gonna break this garlic bread. Okay. The sauce is quite creamy, so I'm gonna like have this shrimp and some pasta. So you can say that this pasta is a combination of white and red sauce pasta. It's loaded with lots of oregano, and you know those shrimps have this crunchy taste. So when you have pasta and shrimp together, you will get that crunch, you know. that kind of a crunch where shrimps are not really soft. Somewhere I liked it and somewhere it was fine. So for me it was in between. I'm gonna say that this pasta was good. Yeah, I will say that this pasta was good. From today's pasta list, we have this last pasta from Smokehouse Delhi. This pasta is called Aglio Olio Peperoncino pasta. Actually the word peperoncino means pepper chili. So I had to look upon the internet for the meaning because I was little confused about what is this peperoncino, right? The word was not familiar with me. So here we have our delicious Aglio Olio Peperoncino from Smokehouse Delhi. This pasta was for rupees, okay, I need to see that. This pasta was for rupees 551. I feel that the quantity is quite less as compared to the amount that I have paid, but let's just hope that the quality is good and the taste and flavors are amazing. Mostly aglio olio pasta में इतने taste या flavors तो होते नहीं है, but since it's also chili pepper, there might be some different taste as well. So let's go ahead and check it. Something that is notable about this pasta, it's chili pepper, a lot of it, and actually when you eat it, it will hit you here. That's what exactly happened with me. Immediately when I had it, I gulped it down my throat. It hit me here and I had this thing going on. So the pasta is definitely spicy. As we all know that aglio olio pasta में ज़्यादा flavors और taste नहीं होते, so basic flavors are there. Like you can taste the pasta. Like if you ever had the pasta immediately after you boil it, so that taste of that pasta is very much evident in this. And then olive gives a little bit of sour taste, and then there is a lot of pepper and chili, so it makes it spicy. Olive oil का इतना टेस्ट नहीं है. Then there are a little bit of sabziya here and there. So the pasta is quite good and it's nice, but then I feel that it's overpriced. I think this pasta should have been somewhere around 300 to 350. Then I would have said, oh my god, this pasta is excellent, but it does not actually justify the price that I have paid for this pasta. So other than that, the pasta is really good. If you're okay with spending so much of money on this pasta, then you can go ahead. But for me, this pasta taste wise worked, but then price wise it didn't. Oh my god, आज हमने कितने टाइप के पास्ता खाए, right? We had so many different kinds of it and every pasta was so different from the other. I feel कि पास्ता एक ऐसी चीज है ना जो हर कोई अपने तरीके से इन्वेंट कर सकता है. लाइक यू कैन जस्ट फॉलो द बेसिक रूल्स और यू कैन जस्ट मेक समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन, एंड एवरी रेस्टोरेंट has achieved that level where they could just simply make their amazing pasta by adding different kinds of ingredients. I'm pretty much impressed, but out of all these restaurants, I'm going to definitely recommend two places. One is Woodside Inn, from where I had called that pesto pasta, and other is Quasi Restauranto, from where I had called mac and cheese. So these two places are something, if you ever want to eat Italian food, then this place has to be your go-to, guys. Both of them are just super. Everything was delicious, guys. Every food was quite delectable. If you are interested in making pasta, then I have a full playlist of different kinds of pasta which I feel you're definitely going to enjoy it. So I will link that in description box as well as in I button. Now it's time to rate my experience on my festive meter. My experience, as I said, it was just out of this world. I really loved every place and pasta. So I'm gonna rate my experience 9.7 out of 10 on my festive meter. My experience was fabulous as always. I really enjoyed it. If you have any recommendation for my next vlog, please leave it in the comment section below. I will definitely consider it. So guys, that's all for today. We are done here. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.